Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change anti-aliasing settings on the Tonite 3. Let's begin. First of all, let's go into the settings. Then let's go into Video tab, and right here we have anti-aliasing and anti-aliasing quality. We have many different options. We have, for example, the DLSS frame generation. We can disable the anti-aliasing completely. We can just set it to normal DLSS. We also have the FSR, FXAA, and the default FXAA. Actually, this is the default one, I believe, the TAA. Now, I'm not going to bother you with actually explaining which every single thing of this means. There are many different tutorials and many different lists, just you can find it on the web, on which mode is actually the best for your machine, for the performance, for the quality of the frames, etc, etc, etc. Just note that usually many people actually like to disable this and they want to only have pure and not generated frames on their computer, but if you don't really care about it, you can just go with basic TAA, which is the default for this game. And of course, we can also have anti-aliasing quality, which we can change to ultra. We can disable it completely, or we can lower it down to low, medium, and high. And once again, high is the default value here. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.